Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel again. We are still on the season of Christmas. Yeah, Christmas is very close. I'm rejoicing and I know you're rejoicing also. You're welcome back to my channel. So as you can see at the beginning of this video, my daughter wants to do something for us. So we have to check out. Yes, we call it chicken nuggets. Guys, if you have not prepared to do this, do it. Children love it. That is the kind of food we eat when we go to McDonald's. All this is very delicious. So I want to teach you how to do it. Yes, I taught her how to do it. So we are there with her. She is doing it. So let's watch out. Read out whatever the ingredients you are seeing there. I will not be talking much, okay? Because I'm not the one doing it. She's the one. Yes. And later we will give results. How is it? Okay? Try it, Try this recipe. Try it. Children will love you so much, especially in this season. Yes, we want to eat healthy food, but sometimes and we need to eat some meli yoli, okay? Sweet mouth. So please don't mind me. Look at what we are writing there. The ingredients we have there. We have the boneless chicken. We have the bread, soft bread. We have milk there, we have thyme, we have salt. Yes. So I didn't write the quantity because the quantity of everything you use depending on the quantity of the chicken you're going to use. That is a boneless chicken you're going to use. So I'm not giving, because if I give you the exact, maybe the kind of the quantity of the chicken you're going to use will not be the same with my own. So as you can see, the chicken there is up to 700 grams. So I'm using everything according to my taste of choice, okay? The salt, the thyme, everything that she's using, we just put it the taste the way we want it, okay? So please don't make your own too watery so that you can be able to hold when you are trying to do the final stage, okay? So wash out, okay? Later give me give me the result, okay? How she did it, okay? Try it. Use this recipe. I'm telling you, it will not fail you. So let's wash out. Wash till the end, okay? Okay, this is this first stage of coating. We have whisked eggs, breadcrumbs, flour. Just wash whatever that she's doing. This is the first coat. She's going to coat it with a flour. Then the next one, she will coat it with breadcrumbs and the egg. Okay, so wash out. Follow this step. Guys, handle it gently, okay? With patience, okay? So guys, do me a favor by going to her channel and subscribe, okay? Esther TV, I will leave her link under the description box. She really did an amazing job, okay? We enjoyed this. Though I taught her, but She picked up very fast. She liked cooking as well. Like mother, like daughter. One thing about her that she loved good food. She loved good food, eh? Hmm. So the first stage of coating is done. Then this is the second stage. Deep inside the whisk egg. Okay? And to the breadcrumbs. That is all. Guys, do your children a favor by doing this. They will love it so much in this Christmas season. After eating all the fried rice, jollof rice, this, that, you put this one by the side. They will play and come and take it. They will play and come and take it. Wow. Okay, guys, this is the final stage, which is the frying stage. Guys, this place, if you want to use oven to do your own, grill it, you can do it. Okay, this one they love to fry. Okay, children, they love to fry. I used to do oven and deep frying, but this time around she said, Mom, I want to fry. So children, they love frying things, especially in this season. Everywhere fry. So this is the final stage. Wow, guys, you can see the color here. It's getting ready. It's getting ready. Okay. Wow, I'm salivating here. Oh. Try this, okay? Don't miss out this recipe this Christmas, okay? Try this. It won't take long anyway. You will get it. Guys, you see this setting? You see this setting? This setting. Oh, mamma mia. This is sweet. This is sweet. If you're watching up to this period, you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and grade her, eh? Let me know how she did it, okay? God bless you. Happy Christmas and New Year in advance. Ciao.